Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share something I've been working on. It's a Python app I built called YouTube Channel Search Tool. If you have ever wanted to find a new channel or YouTube channel in a specific category or industry, especially the ones focused on finance, crypto, or investing, this tool going to save you tons of time. Okay, so is here's the idea. Instead of manually searching for channels, this app lets you pick a topic like personal finance or crypto for beginners, and it pulls a list of real channels from the YouTube API. Okay, you can filter result by region, upload data or upload date, even by length of their videos. And when you're done, you can export everything to a CSV file or oh no, only for CSV file. But we can tweak that out to save it on a JSON file or Excel file. Okay, it's super handy. Now let me show you the actual GUI or the interface itself. Okay, I already run the file, but here it is. Okay, and as you can see, here at the top, you will see here the probably over 40 popular finance and investing search term. You can choose as many results you want to pull, which region here. Okay, that's US, United States, Canada, Germany. Oh, no, I'm sorry, Great Britain, UK. What's UK and Great Britain? Okay, United Kingdom. Okay, Australia, right? And you can also hold on. Yeah, you can also set the minimum duration. Usually in YouTube, there is 4 minutes to 20 minutes. So in the 4 minutes, if you multiply that with 60, that's 240 seconds. In max duration, that's 20 minutes. So 20 minutes times what you call it, 60 minutes. I mean, sorry. Yeah, 20 minutes. Multiply that with 20 seconds, right? That's going to be per 1 minute. That's 60 seconds. So that's going to be 12,000 or 1,200 seconds. And then the upload date. The upload date, usually the filter will be last hour, today, this week, this month, and this year. Almost the same with YouTube search. And you can also search, and you can also filter that how many data you have per lines, 20, 50, 100, 150, 200 per search. Okay, in there's also I mean, you can also target channels that posted recently, right? That's yeah, that's this one. And then once you hit the start, I mean, once you put everything or all the filters are ready, you can click on the start. Hold on, it's not being. Hold on a second here. Right, start scraping button here down below. Okay, and let's try this out right now. And if you want to save result, like I told you, you can save it on the CSV. Right, export to CSV. All your data is ready to use, and that's you just have to click on it, and then boom, all of the information will be saved on your computer. Right? Let's try it out. Okay, I'm going to look for stock trending or stock trading live. Let's try altcoins to watch. I'm going to click on 50. Now this depends of how many. We're not going to click on the month, just for this week. And now we're going to target United Kingdom. Okay, let's click on start scraping. As you can see here, it's giving us another country. It's Indonesia, right? So under the hood, this is built with Python using Tkinter for UI and Ttkbootstrap. Let me show that to you. It's up here. Okay, Tkinter. Okay, and I have my API key here, and because I uses the YouTube data API version 3 to search for channels, and I added threading to so that the app doesn't freeze while it's doing its work. Okay, well, while it's working. If you are a developer and want to try this out, right? If you want to try this out, yeah, just send me an email. I'll send you the code, and then feel free to work it or to pork it out, customize it, or use it for your own projects. And hey, if you found this interesting or helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more dev projects like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you very much.